Hey YouTube, how's it going today? We're gonna cover the Buzzcocks, What Do I Get? They played, both guitars in the band played Les Paul Juniors with P90s. And they kind of had like a high gain kind of sound, distortion sound. And this song is really based on a 12-bar blues, but it's got some real cool chromatic chords that they throw in there to spice it up a little. But it's in C. I just want love like any other, what do I get? So when I say 12-bar blues, that would just be like, in this case, C is the 1, F is the 4, heard in a lot of rock songs. Alright, that's what we're talking about, kind of like a Chuck Berry type of chord progression. Alright, so that first part, they don't deviate from it. They just start on the C. Just what do I get? What do I get? So it's just F, C, 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 F, F, C, C, F, C. That repeats. Here's where the cool part comes in. They go, that's a G sharp power chord. You can play this with all power chords. To G. What do I get? What do I get? I think Pete Shelley once in a while will play it like, because here's your G up here. So you can play that up here. G sharp is, you're on the 11th fret. To G on the 10th. Back to C. And C, by the way, is on the 8th. So is F. Alright, so that covers that. And then, alright, this is kind of like, I don't know what we call it, the bridge, maybe? That's that little bridge. It hangs on F, goes to G, quickly to C, then that's B flat at the 6th fret. Back to F, G. So it's just starting on the F to G and it ends on F to G. And in between it goes C, B flat, F, G. And then back to the at the end of the song, they kind of go into like a I don't know, I call it a reprise, I guess. Yeah, that's the part where the what do I get? No love. What do I get? No sleep at night. What do I get? No nothing. Not a thing, not a thing. Alright, so So that's just kind of F, G quickly. Not a thing, not a thing, not a thing, not a thing. Okay. Oh, and he does do a guitar solo. It's pretty funny. If you watch the music video, he's got just a totally flat expression, and he's not tapping his feet. He's just totally still. He's just playing the melody here at the low, just all on the low E string. So 8 to 10. Then 4 to 3. All right, that's it. The Buzzcocks. What Do I Get? Check it out. It's a great song. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.